This is a 2008 BMW 328, a drive and shape that provides endless luxury. It features a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a power moonroof, adaptive brake lights, a low tire pressure indicator, and 10 perfectly positioned speakers producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, full power accessories, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a security system, front fog lights, a traction control system, disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 52,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Not to mention that this BMW qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.